All right, we're back again. Like I mentioned in the last video that you guys absolutely crushed, by the way. What's up, motherfuckers? No Muscles Glasses is back again. I don't know why that keeps happening. We're back again with another Funko video. This time we've got the high roller boxes, courtesy of Chrono Toys. I have one in front of me and there's another 5 around the base of the camera. So we got 6 total today. We got Sonny, say what's up.
Note he said courtesy. They were
not sponsored. They're courtesy as in I bought from. They did not send these. Chrono Toys did not sponsor this video. Sonny's back and long time no see, John Barnacle Boy back again. Gotta get him back in the groove. I've got the Funko app open on my phone. I got the nut button, I got the karambit, I got my boys, and you can go to swazytheplug.com to buy anything we open in this box, in these boxes, in the previous boxes we've unboxed, or any merch. Buy some merch, buy some collectibles, buy some shoes. Shoe videos will return in the next video. We ordered like 2 of these rounds of Funkos as an experiment. First video crushed it. If this video does well, then we'll continue to do this, but we'll see how this video does and we'll go from there. Shoes coming up very soon, whether it be a beater box or a different video. Anyways, I'm rambling. Let's just open this up and go from there. So like Sonny just mentioned, the last video got a little bit confusing because I set a price and then Sonny edited in a different price because the value of them changed. I'm just gonna say the value of a pop at the moment, and if it changes, it changes. Is that what we're doing?
Yeah, if it changes, whatever. We're gonna go off the current market value.
Open this up. Is it front or back? We're gonna have to, this is the back. Okay, so then I gotta do this. Not looking like I did last time. All right, is it facing you?
It is.
It is? All right, 3, 2, 1. All right.
I recognize this one.
Really? Oh,
yeah.
That's funny because, but I saw like a little bit of color right here.
Yeah, a little bit of the orange.
No, I thought it was a Peter Pez again. I thought I saw a rainbow on the back. I was like, did we get a different? That's not worth $40. So we've got the Vegeta. Oh, I didn't explain the stickers and stuff. All right, so if you don't know, if it's got a chase sticker, it's worth money. If it's got a flocked sticker, it's probably worth even more money. I don't really know. We'll figure it out. But we've got Vegeta powering up, a Chalice Collectibles exclusive and limited chase edition. I'm just gonna go ahead and look up the value. Holy shit. Wow, starting off strong. This is valued at $65.
Yep.
Wow. Okay, sure. I guess this was the high roller box. I guess I don't really know
what you expect.
What I expected, but all right.
I don't think we're getting Korg today.
I don't think we're getting Korg. Down, say it. Hut. Thank you very much. I'm gonna open from this side now. That way we can keep it rolling. Wow, $65 there. Keep in mind, they were valuing each of these at 40 when selling, but they said they were all worth more than 65. So we shall see. Is that the front or back?
Back.
Is the, what the f?
I don't think they care.
They flipped it! All right, again, not looking, yeeting this to the side. I'm looking at John's face now instead of Sonny's, because Sonny's got the camera over there. I can't tell if John likes it or not. I'll do this. Think it's cool? All right, 3, 2, 1, boom! Okay!
I'm a big fan.
Yeah, I like that.
All right, we've got Naruto. We got Naruto 6-path special edition. I've never seen any anime ever.
I can take over here.
Thank you, Sonny.
This appears to be the Sage of 6-Path Naruto. You can see using the coat and the eyes, he's definitely in Sage mode. This is when I stopped watching Naruto, so my knowledge ends here, and...
Oh, okay, well, let's find out the price. This is worth $60, so we've got the price of the box made up here. I will say, if I could get something non-anime related, that'd be just grand. I'm gonna open it this way and hope that the consistency is there. Don't know if it is or not. Up! Is it? Front. This is the front now. Front upside down. Okay, got it. Boom, we'll do that. Throws this to the side, take the bubble wrap off. Sonny's laughing. John just looks confused. All right, is this 3, 2, 1.
I can tell you actually exactly what this is.
Wow, okay. This is exactly what we got. That's the one we got in the last box.
That's exactly what it is, yeah.
That's crazy. All right, hey, I'll take it. It was worth 65 before. It's probably gonna be worth 65 again. Let's see. That's hilarious. In
I
case
think that means we got pretty lucky with the last drift box.
I would say if they're putting the same thing in a high roller box, yeah, it's valued around 55, 60 bucks still. So yeah, looking pretty good. I'll take it. So one high roller box down. We've got a duplicate in the Toy Tokyo, and then we got these two anime related things. First box made what, 50 bucks off of it?
Yeah.
I'll take it. Hit the there we go. Cool. 3 boxes down, 3 more to go. Let's see. Okay, good to know. So we've got these 3 out of the first box, and this batch of 3 is going to be out of a separate box. They might have been intertwined because I opened them and then just kind of threw them all together, but we'll see. Do this, pop it open, back again. Oh, God.
Oh no.
Oh, they said the same thing?
Well, I mean, this isn't that much of a problem.
All right, so we've got another one. Another Vegeta powering up. Okay, there you go.
That's what, another 60, 65 bucks?
Yeah, another 65 bucks. So, I mean, I'm not complaining, though, if I get the same thing. Oh.
Just do it here.
Is it the same? Is it the same?
Swazy.
Is it the same?
Swazy.
Oh my God! Oh my gosh.
I'm not gonna have to make any new graphics.
You're not, man. All right, so we've got another J Balvin that we pulled in the last box. That's funny. Not a duplicate for the high rollers. Is it? Yep, 60 bucks. Still not too bad in terms of value. Last box coming in hot. So we'll see if this is a Toy Tokyo, Baseball Fury, or J Balvin.
It's like a third Vegeta.
If it's another Vegeta,
Oh my god.
we shall see. So here we go. Looking at John. Is it the same?
I can't.
I'm not looking.
No! Is it? Oh my God! Holy shit. All right. So we've got another Toy Tokyo. God. Baseball Fury. Warriors. Add this to the collection. But we'll go ahead and pair everything. Put everything together. And go from there. Out of everything you see here, we've got 2 duplicates. A Naruto on its own, another J Balvin that I got in the last box, so essentially a duplicate. And then we've got 2 Baseball Furies, which are already duplicates of something I got in the last box with J Balvin. But now I've got 3 of these, 2 of these, 2 of these, and the only original thing here is the 6-path thing. In terms of value, I'm not upset in the slightest, but in terms of content for you guys, I'm a little salty. Understandably so, I think.
Yeah.
I can't complain again with value, but I will complain in terms of what are you guys doing? I mean, this is, in terms of variety, this is basically just pointing out the fact that you guys are dumping stock out of the same high roller things. Who knows if that'll change in the future? Who knows if I buy from Chrono again? I can't sit here and say that I will or won't because I don't really know. I know there are other Funko mystery box providers out there. Everything you see unboxed here will be on the website, swazytoplug.com. I can't really sit here and act too hyped about how this video ended because it's kind of, I'm not even upset about my money because I made my money. I'm more upset that I can't provide a solid video to you guys in terms of variety. See you guys in the next video. Shoot content will resume then. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell, drop a comment, all the fun stuff. Check out my social links in the description. Check out their social links. Well, there's only Sonny's and he doesn't have social media. Anyways, thank you very much for watching. Appreciate you guys. Deuces.